Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Announced on July 26, 2023. Dimensions: 326.4 by 208.6 by 5.5 millimeters. Weight: 732 gram, 1.61 pounds. Build: glass front, aluminum frame, aluminum back. SIM: nano SIM. Resistant, IP68 dust and water resistant. Display: Dynamic AMOLED 2X, 120Hz, HDR10+. Size: 14.6 inches. Resolution: 1848 by 2960 pixels, 16:10 ratio. OS: Android 13, One UI 5.1. Chipset: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. CPU: octa-core. GPU: Adreno 740. Memory: 256GB, 512GB, 12GB RAM, 1TB, 16GB RAM. Camera: dual, 13 and 8 megapixel. Video: 4K and 1080p. Selfie camera: dual, 12 megapixel. Sound with stereo speakers. Battery: 11,200 mAh. Price: €1,200, varies. Follow us and subscribe for more.